The MyAudi app gives you access to numerous digital functions in your Audi. The e-tron route planner, vehicle status, or climate control, for example. First of all, open the MyAudi app on your smartphone or tablet. Define your country and language and select Let's Go. Now enter the login data for your MyAudi account. In the next step, enter your first name and last name. You then have the option of defining how you communicate with us by checking the marketing consent boxes to suit your own personal needs, or select Continue without consent. In the first step, you now add your Audi to your MyAudi account. To do this, press Add MyAudi and select Add with Card. Select Scan Data and hold your activation card in front of the camera so that both the identification number and the vehicle code are inside the scan frame. Your Audi will now be created automatically. In the second step, you will need to confirm your identity. Enter your personal data and press Confirm. You will now be asked to create a 4-digit PIN that you will need for security-related functions such as remote unlocking of your Audi. You can then choose between various verification options, for example by text message directly on your smartphone. For verification, you have to accept the terms and conditions, read them through carefully and press Verify. You will now be sent a mobile transaction number, a so-called MTAN, by text message to the mobile phone number you entered. Enter this in the MTAN window and select Confirm. You have now completed verification. The next step takes place in your Audi. Start the ignition and select Set Up Now. You can then customize the privacy settings. Press the house symbol in the top left corner to return to the main menu. Go to User Management and then press Add User. Select Login Now. Now enter your email address for your MyAudi account and your password. Then press Login. This process may take a few minutes depending on your internet connection. If you'd like to stay logged into your vehicle permanently, select Yes and enter your self-assigned and securely noted 4-digit security PIN. Now you can stay in touch with your Audi conveniently by smartphone or tablet. Note: please keep your authentication card, your email address, your password and your security PIN in a safe place.